This Realty ONE Group Select property video is presented by Christina Grossu. Rare chance to own entire remaining lots in Palms Subdivision located in Forest City. Priced below tax value. Palms Subdevelopment features gentle rolling topography with beautiful rural setting, all within 60 minutes of Charlotte, Asheville, Greenville and more. Lots range in size from 0.5 acres to 2.64 acres. 4 additional parcels included in sale, which include common areas, tennis courts, clubhouse, pool, and entrance areas. Priced below tax value. Electricity and public water are underground and available to the edge of each lot.All lots to be served by septic, individual lot buyers to secure septic permits prior to purchase. Gas is also available through PSNC. For more information